I am an internationally board certified lactation consultant, which is basically the gold standard in lactation expertise. I don't like to go around and say that I'm an expert in this, but we have to get a lot of training and a lot of clinical hours and hands-on experience to know exactly how to help the mom the best way that we can and help the dynamic and the dyad, the partnership between a mom and a baby and their family. One thing that I noticed in the birth community as far as being on a social media platform was the need to have more education that was readable in a short amount of time, and so I had been working really diligently to make that more seen as far as things that I had to offer. And Motif found me through that, I guess following the same things and liking the same things and talking about the same topics that we're both mutually interested in and beneficial. I guess through collaboration and talking back and forth, we found out that we have, a mutual goal, and that's to help moms be more effective in meeting their breastfeeding goals, because so many have to return to work or have to be away from baby, or maybe have had some issues that don't allow them to feed directly from the breast. Moms really have a lot of problems pumping. So let's get a good pump, let's get some great feedback, and let's be not too big to still take some feedback from moms and families on how to best produce the best pump possible. The Luna in particular has been particularly more efficient in not only the putting together, but just the general use of it. One of my clients had actually had a really hard time with clogged milk ducts, some latching issues that kind of led to that, but she needed to pump in order to get some relief with that, and wasn't responding really well to the pump that she had at the time. So we introduced her to the Luna, and not only did it help with the clog, but she was pumping more than she ever had in just a couple of minutes. Well, from a medical standpoint, I want to know that this system is going to be a closed system, which Luna is, and a lot of hospital-grade pumps are. So it needs to be easy to use, easy to put together, easy to clean. These parts need to be able to transport from, point A to point B, home to work and back, and they need to be able to be sterilized pretty easily. So these parts are easy to maintain and keep up with, but the closed system with an engine is so important in preventing the growth of mold. As a lactation professional, I can confidently say I recommend Motif, because not only do they meet safety guidelines in terms of the design of the pump, but they're also going to meet customer service too. And that is so important to make sure that the mom is happy with her product. It's an investment. Even when insurance covers certain things like this, it is so important for them to get a good product that they feel confident to use, and that I can say, yes, this is going to help you meet your goals, whether you return to work, need a night out, have babies in the NICU. This meets so many of those criteria.